WordPress does not make it easy to build siloed authority sites. It's very well suited for creating blogs, but not siloed sites. A siloed site needs dynamic menus. You should be able to create several menus and choose which menu appears on a particular page. While you can create several menus with WordPress, you really can't choose which menu appears on a particular page. If you place a menu in the header or in the sidebar, it will appear on all pages of the site. You cannot have a menu appear on a few select pages and not appear on others. Even though some themes allow you to have several menus on the site in various places like the header, sidebars and the footer, every menu appears on every page and post. For instance, currently we have one menu in the header and one menu in the left sidebar. These two menus will appear on every page of the site. But that's not what we want. This is our silo blueprint we created a while ago. We want separate menus for each of the three silos: Twin Mattress, Memory Foam and Air Mattress. We do not want the menu we create for the Twin Mattress silo to appear in the Air Mattress or Memory Foam silos. We do not want the menus we create for a specific silo to appear in other silos. If that happens, each page will lose relevance because they would be linking to pages that are not very relevant. In the next few videos, we will discuss various ways to implement silos in WordPress. There are a few ways to create logical silos. You can do this either using a plugin or without a plugin. The easiest way to create logical silos in WordPress is the following. Have a menu in the header with links to the home page, privacy policy, contact us, and about us pages. Have a menu in the sidebar with links to the various category pages. Each category should be a distinct silo. You would want to remember that we have no indexed category pages using the Yoast SEO plugin. If you go to SEO, titles and metas, and taxonomies, you can see category pages are no indexed. And each page links to various other pages in the same silo from within the body of the article. All of these links here, these are all linking to various pages within the Twin Mattress silo. You would want to note that no page will ever link to a page in another silo. If at all you want to link pages that belong to different silos, you will only link to the category page of the other silo and never to an inner page. Suppose you want to link from this page, Best Twin Mattress for Adults, that belongs to the Twin Mattress silo, to this page, Best Air Mattress for Everyday Use, that belongs to the Air Mattress silo. From this page, Best Twin Mattress for Adults, you will link to the category page of the Air Mattress silo and never to the inner page directly. Let's create that link now. This is the category page of the Air Mattress silo. We copy this link I will refresh this page. This is the link we just created. If you click on this, you can see the category page of the Air Mattress silo opened up. But you do not link from this page to this page directly. You can also create a separate landing page for each silo if you wish and link to that page instead of the category page. You will also want to make sure every page from each silo is linked to from other pages in the silo. This is perhaps the easiest way to create siloed sites in WordPress. It does not require any plugins or customization. You can also use plugins that will allow you to choose different menus for every page on your site. We will shortly see how to use a plugin to do this.